So here's a cool find I found on Amazon. It's called the Easiest Fishing Knots. And it's hard laminate, designed for the field, 10 fishing knots. So we're going to check out some of the ones that I have never seen before, because there's a couple on here I haven't seen. We're going to check out one of them today. So here's one that we're going to check out. It's called the Yucatan knot, and we're going to give it a try. So this is my leader, and this is my main. So it says make a double main line, and then we're going to wrap it 6 times around the leader. So I've wrapped it 6 times. Okay, 6 times around. And then I'm supposed to take the other end of the leader, wrap the double main line around the leader 6 times, pass the leader through the loop, following the red arrow, like this. So we're sitting like this, and we pull it tight, and we cinch it down. It seems interesting enough. As we cinch it down, I don't think it's quite like that. So let's undo this and try it again. Okay, so we have our leader, we have our main line. It's been tied into a loop. We're going to overlap the leader and the double main line. Pinch it there. There's 6 wraps, 6 times. So we've gone over 6 times. And we take the tag end of the leader and we run it through the loop like that. So we're sitting like this, pass the leader through the loop, see the arrow in step 2, and then we cinch it down tight. So, see, it's not cinching. Okay, Yucatan knot attempt number 3 here. We've got our double main line, okay, and we're going to wrap it under and over 6 times on the leader. Take our leader, go under, 1, 2, there's the problem. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. And then we take our tag end of the leader and we run it through the eyelet here, the end of the double main line, and then we cinch it tight without it twisting. Therein lies the problem, is everything is twisting here. Okay, that's pretty close to the thing. And then we would trim this end off respectively, having the Yucatan knot. So there we go. Double main line, loop 6 times, loop it through to pull the knot, and then cinch it down. You get something that looks similar to this. So that is the Yucatan knot, as per the Easiest Fishing Knot cards. Link in the description. In the next one, we'll cover a different knot. Thanks for watching.